Hey guys, it's Paul from Online Sax Academy. In today's lesson, we're doing another jam session classic, On the Sunny Side of the Street. Now with this tune, you could head to any jazz club in the world and be able to play this at a jam session. It's such a popular tune to play because it's so recognizable and it's also really flexible as well. So in today's lesson, we're doing it in 3 different skill levels for beginner, intermediate and advanced level players. The beginner version focuses on the melody, and I've removed decorations and variations so you can learn that melody more easily. And you can also get the free PDF and backing track for this version, and the link to that is down below. I'd really recommend trying to learn this tune from memory as well. Now, understanding the structure behind this tune will help you memorize it more quickly. So this tune, like so many others, is in an AABA structure. What this basically means is once you've learnt the A section, you've pretty much learnt 3/4 of the tune. Now once you've learnt this melody, the idea isn't to play it exactly the same way every time. You can add variations to the melody each time you play this. And that's what I've put into the intermediate and advanced level versions. Alright, so first of all, here is the beginner version. Now moving on to this intermediate version, we're keeping it the same speed, but as I said, we're going to be adding in some variations and decorations to the melody, and I've also included an example solo. Now of course, if you're learning to improvise, you can have a look at some of this example solo and take some ideas from it and start to use it in your own solos. And if you become a member at Online Sax Academy, you'll be able to download the PDF and backing track for this intermediate version, as well as getting access to everything else we have on the site. And at the moment, there's a 14-day free trial. Alright, so here is this intermediate version. Okay, finally we have the advanced version. It's the same structure as we had for the intermediate version. We're going to have the head with those variations and decorations going into an improvised solo. It's just that in this improvised solo, you're now going to start to see some trickier double time lines. So this is where I'm using some 16th notes to play through the changes. Now, as ever, I'd recommend using YouTube's playback speed settings to adjust the speed of the track. You don't have to play this at full speed straight away. Now, if you'd like to learn how to improvise solos like this yourself, then over at Online Sax Academy, we have the Learn to Improvise course. And this will step you through right from the very beginning, even if you've never improvised before. Along with this, I'm also currently releasing lessons for Volume 2 of the Learn to Improvise course, which goes into even more advanced concepts. And you can try all of this out for free with the 14-day free trial. All right, so here is this advanced version. So remember, you can get the free PDF and backing track, the link to that's down below, and also do check out everything else we have at Online Sax Academy with that 14-day free trial. All right guys, I'll see you soon.